One of the new features in Visual Basic 2008 is Windows Presentation Foundation, or more commonly referenced as WPF. WPF provides the ability to create richer user interfaces for multiple platform development. Windows Vista uses WPF technology to bring a better and greater multimedia experience to the operating system. The designing capability of WPF is available in Visual Studio as well as in the Microsoft Expression Studio, which consists of Expression Web, Expression Blend, Expression Design, and Expression Media. Microsoft Silverlight is a scaled-down version of WPF technology, which provides a rich web-based interface and works with all leading browsers and on multiple platforms, such as Macintosh. These products offer the ability to integrate vector-based graphics, media, text, animation, and overlays into the web interface. When you create a web page, there are essentially two different tasks: the interface and the code that runs the application. Often the person or artist who creates the interface is referred to as the designer. Making the page useful by creating the logic for database connection and programming is done by a developer or a programmer. Expression Blend allows a web page designer to create an interface that can be turned over to a developer for adding the code. In Visual Studio, you may have noticed that when you create a new project, there are templates for a WPF application and for a WPF browser application. The user interface in WPF applications uses XAML, or simply referred to as XAML, code rather than HTML. XAML, or XAML, which stands for Extensible Application Markup Language, is an XML-based language that is much more interactive than the traditional HTML. The new technology allows us to create hybrid applications. You can add WPF features to your Windows Form applications, and the Windows controls that you have learned about can be added to a WPF page. The best way to experience and to explore WPF features is to look at some examples. There are two sites which I've listed here. One, WindowsClient.net, is the official Microsoft WPF site. And the other site, which is available at msdnmicrosoft.com, has lots of examples of actual WPF applications and will provide more information about creating WPF applications. Keep in mind, WPF is designed for the Vista operating system. So if you're running something other than Vista, for example Windows XP, chances are you will not be able to explore it or to experience the WPF features to its fullest extent.